Smart Switch. Today, I have the latest in the smart home department. This is a SmartDGM light switch, available in 1, 2, or 3 circuit versions. The contact switch is controlled by the SmartDGM mobile app and uses a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for communication. Our switches feature a sleek and modern design. The front panels are made of tempered glass. The housings are made of special, non-flammable plastic. This product is aesthetically pleasing and robust at the same time. Pairing the device. The switch must be installed in a wall, just like standard switches. After installation, start the pairing process with the SmartDGM application. To do so, press and hold the button for 6 to 8 seconds. The Wi-Fi symbol will start blinking. Now, in the app, go to the Add Device panel and select the switch icon. Confirm the network ID and password. The switch has now been added. Last but not least, assign a name for your new switch and add its location. Now you're ready to start exploring the possibilities of the SmartDGM system. Apart from the basic function of switching the lights on and off remotely, you can also create a detailed schedule. This may include the day, time, and period of switching on the light. This feature is particularly useful if you are planning to leave home for a prolonged period of time. Smart switches are compatible with other smart products from DGM, such as motion detectors or opening sensors. This allows the user to create unique scenarios for automation and the relationships between different devices. Thanks to their compatibility with voice services such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can control the lights with voice commands, which gives you a completely new quality of smart life.